All. So today's read is about that how many people have a crush on you, what are they feeling, and we'll be telling you what signs do they belong, and what they have for you in their mind. We have three piles: lotus, sunflower, and aster. Whatsoever color appeals you, so kindly pick that color and kindly read that read. The description rest will be in the description box. Let's start with the lotus sign. So let's start with the lotus sign. You or your crush might be liking the pink color or lotuses. So let's start. What is in the cards? The Knight of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, and the King of Pentacles. Previously, I was just reading Hindi read for this same on the same topic, and the same cards I received in that thing also. So this person must be above 25 years of age, right? And quite practical person, bit of mean person, and trying to be in your friendly zone, but you are avoiding that person, I suppose. And I can see that lot of savings has been done by this person, quite healthy, wealthy person I can see. Let's see the oracle. Powerful. Yeah, this person must be of holding a power, might be working in the same place, or having a good status in society. Disruption, but this person is not able to reach you because of some his or her own liabilities or responsibilities. But this I can see sense very well that this person is in some kind of a commitment, might be married or somewhere engaged, that this person is not able to reach you. And this person being practical, as this person is quite elder to you, I can see from the read. So this person knows very well that if he or she reaches you, propose you for something, you're going to simply deny and reject this person with harsh words, which this person cannot take, as this person is bit of egoistic, and this might disturb his or her image in the society. So this could be the landlord, this could be a person at the senior level in your office, and fair in color, a bit tall, and but scary types. For emotions, this person is very scary. Else, this person is very practical. If this person hasn't been practical, this person must have approached you long back. You might be knowing this person from 4 weeks, 4 months, 4 years, five maybe. This person is attracted towards you just because you look good, or you might be having good money, but uh, I can sense some kind of um roles might be reversed. So pick it whatever you can, what resonates you, else just leave, because this is very journal reading. This person must have gone through some kind of a losses in their age, uh, not feeling good about it, so like quite hesitant person. So let's see if you this person will reach you or not. Let me pick up another pile. Let me see the clarifications for this read. Four of Pentacles. So this person is quite miser as well as greedy, as he has suffered quite losses in his life to reach to this level. So this person is quite like he takes steps after looking at pros and cons of each step. Quite a thinker, quite manipulative. Yes. And this person is married and in some kind of a commitment, and he very well or she very well knows if he or she reaches you, you are going to simply bash him or her off. So this person is in negative mode, that this person is not going to reach you. How many people I can see in this read? I can see very well there. One is major, who is connected directly to you, and two are rest kind of people who are working with you or in a friendly zone. No, no, I can sense some kind working with you, right? That person is working with you. Two other people might be working with you. Yes, and they have hit, though these people, both of them know each other, but they are not aware of their each other feelings for you. So this I can sense. So let's see the alphabets. What alphabets I can see from this read? N, R, D, I can see double I in this thing. So I is quite prominent, and C. So these are the alphabets which I can see in this read, or these are the alphabets which will be in their name. So let's see the sun signs. Let's see. This thing Taurian is very much prominent, because in every read this Taurian came. So Scorpio, and the other is Capricorn. So Earth sign is prominent in this read, and in the tarot read also Earth sign was quite prominent. And now let's see the charms. To have a proper clue about this person, the charms are going to help us. But this person is not dangerous for you. The main purpose of this read is that whether this person can be dangerous for you or not. The crush, sometimes the crushes are quite dangerous. So that's the thing. You or he is in Paris, so might be consulting some kind of a healers, or fond of wild animals. Yes, this person is very much in love with you. You are a star in his or her life. Right now snowing in your area or his area, but he knows his boundaries very well. So lock is there, so might be landlord, which I said in the initial stage of the read. This person, is in touch with you, or wants to get in touch with you in some kind of a way. This person gets in touch with you related to the work at the place where you are living, where you have rented, where this person has rented to you, or some or the other. This person is in quite in touch with you, and a leaf. So this person is fond of gardening, or have must be having a lawn kind of a thing, or a good backyard. This person is a nature lover. On Yes, this person is fond of wild animals. It's because why I'm sensing this, that this person is having a pet also. Yes, this person goes to church, very religious person. A good car he owns, again a spiral. So this person is quite in touch with you for some or the other reasons, for lame excuses. He or she is in touch with you for something or the other. So this was your read, and if you liked it, do like, share, and subscribe. Let's start with the read of another pile, that is sunflower. Yellow must be yours favorite or his flower, or this person is from summer area, something like that, or fond of sitting in sun, or you might be fond of sitting in sun, something like this. Three of Pentacles, 10 of Cups, Four of Pentacles. Let's see oracles. Third eye chakra, heart attack and loss, and harmony. See, this person must have recently went through some kind of relationship breakup. This person might be divorced or separated, and trying to find love in you. This person was fond of you from like quite a long time, and this person is of very what I'm able to pick from this rating is that this person is quite romantic in nature, and wants to have a but this person or he or she whosoever, this person is fond of uh, kids and family, and might be having kids also, one boy and one girl. And this person is quite creative, so might be architect, I can sense something like this, or builder. And but this person right now is trying to save money. I have no clue why, but yes, this person is trying to save money right now, as he must have gone through some kind of a loss in the project, or loss in the relationship, that he has to pay as alimony or something like this. But this person is very much ready to settle down with you or someone else, but this person is looking for a relationship with you. This person is quite intuitive, or you might be intuitive. You might not, you might come to know about this person soon, whatsoever. And this person is fair in color, and what should I say, and if it's a woman, might be having good long hair, quite family type woman. And if it's a male, then might be keeping a beard and long hair also, a pony or something like that. This person might be following some kind of a rituals, like to open the third eye of his or her, so that this, he or she thinks that he or she is a healer, which he or she is not. But double six number is this, so because his or her heart rules this person overhead. So this person is quite emotional for you. And crushes, I can see there are two females who are fond of you. And if we come to male, then there could be four people, two quite prominent, one is quite prominent in this read. Okay, it's okay. So let's go to the clarifications. Let's see whether this person will reach out. From these cards, I can sense that this person is going to reach out to you soon. Yes, about in another 10 months, this person will reach out to you and will be proposing you, and you are going to accept this proposal. This is what, or you are going through some kind of a heartbreak, or you will be going through some kind of a heartbreak, and you will accept this offer, because this person is going to give you that warmth of relationship, as you will feel that this person is quite mature. So let's see the sun signs. Okay, Libra, this is Cancer, and Aries. So these are the sun signs of the particular person. And let's see the alphabets. What alphabets does comes in his or her name? R, double A, and T, Tanny, something like this. So these are the alphabets which are coming, might be coming in his or her name or your name. Let's see the charms. What does this charm wants to tell you? Let's see. Then one more alphabet came. So let's take all the charms. M came in the last, and it came automatically. I never wanted. So M is quite a sign of God. So this person might be wearing a charm, like a cross in on his neck, or having a tattoo of cross. Might be going to church also. Regular visitor, fond of nature. This person is taking a tea which is made in honey instead of sugar. This person loves honey, and this person is fond of music, or might be um, knowing how to play a trumpet. This person is quite a evening person, romantic person, fond of roses or some kind of a flowers. If I think that this person is going to, whenever this person is going to propose you, he or she is going to offer you a bouquet of roses or something like this. And a cupid is working on it. This is a cupid. This person, a cupid is working on it now. Soon you will be hit by the cupid. Mouse. This person might be having a pet as a hamster or something. An elephant. This person must be having a dream of going on safari with you. Spirals. Wants to settle just that, as I stated in the beginning of the read, that this person wants to settle a family with you. So this is a family tree. This person wants to settle a family with you. A spiral. So this person will soon be, will soon not. This person is quite indulge you in totally in you. His world revolves around you completely. Infinite circle is there. Again, it's a rose. So this person is fond of roses, and especially yellow, I suppose. He is fond of yellow, and I can sense some kind of a yellow curtains in your room or his room. As soon as the third party goes away, this person is going to propose you. So this was your read, and if you liked it, do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. So this is the last pile, Aster. You or your this crush, the crush of yours must be fond of this purplish color or these kind of a flowers. As I can pick up from as I can pick up from this flower, that this person is quite fond of wildflowers, wildlife, wild animals, wild flora, right? The Empress, the High Priest, Two of Pentacles. What Oracle got to add is trapped in fear, Crown Chakra, and the Universe. So this person is quite practical, and this person, if I'm crush is your woman, then this person is above 35, might be a mother of kids, and beautiful woman, fond of very pleasureful life, and the High Priest. So and if this woman is there, then this woman uh, must be already in a married life, which she has come out. A single mother, I can see. I can pick it up from the cards that this woman is a single mother who has come from long distance to settle in this town of yours, a city of yours, after the separation. And if we count the crush as a male, then this person must be very religious, must be a teacher, or some kind of a government job he is in, right? As I can see, this universe card is number 21, so this is 21. So three number is very much prevalent. So this person, whomsoever the crush is, this person is though having a savings in some kind of mutual funds or something like that. He is quite intelligent, very intelligent, but this person must be having some kind of um, scandalous life previously that he never wants to expose, or has a fear that it might get exposed, which is going to affect a relationship with you. So I can sense three men in this relationship, in this crush thing, and two females I can see. This person is going to come into your life, but I cannot see the settlement here. You will not be settling, you will be going for a fling type, or this person will be going a fling type for a time. You people will be together for some time, for few months, then you will be separate. Why? Because you might not like each other's uh, behavior or attitude or taste. You people are from different cultures or backgrounds. Let me see the clarifying cards. What do they want to say more? Seven of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles. He or she or you might be very hardworking, working on some kind of a project, and this person might take you as a kind of a project. That this person kind of take you as a project means that he or she wants you to be a part of his or her life, that to be his or her achievement, and later on he will not or she will not um, respect that, might try to overrule you, right? So this person is eventually going to come into your life for the time being, and finally you will come out of this relationship. That is for sure. You will come out of this relationship. You will not settle down with this person. I can't see that. And I'm not having any kind of a vibes related that you will settle with this person, because some kind of a fear that this person is having will be exposed, and you are not going to like that. This person is quite keeping secretive person. This person is quite secretive about his work or about his past life, basically personal past life. So what kind of a signs, let's say, I see in this read? So let's see. Again a Taurian. I don't know why this Taurian has come in every read, in Hindi read, in English read, in every pile this Taurian has come. A Leo sign and Scorpio. Earth, air and water signs are there. Earth sign is quite prominent. What alphabets my read is picking up? So let's see. So these charms have come by itself. So this person will be trying to be very friendly with you at the starting, but this person is not that kind of a friendly. I will not uh, suggest you to fall for it, because this person might seems to be very humorous and very lively, but later on stages you will come to know that this person is very possessive and very secretive, so which you might not like it, which will be opposite to your nature. Love thing is there. This person will be trying to bound you in love. So these charms have come by itself, so it was my duty to read it for you. And the alphabets which are coming is A, C, N. Nina, I can see double A is there, S is there, and there are triple ones, so four ones. So and P. So these are the alphabets, and I can see number one is there. So because I can see that five ones are there. So this person is quite determined kind of a person. Once decided, so it has to be done. Will not be asking your take on the situation. Just will be doing it according to his or her own will, and will be imposed on you, which you are not going to like further in your life. So you don't fall for the person who is going to come and propose you in a very lively and a good way manner. This proposal is going to come at the night after 6 p.m., after 1800 hours. So don't fall for this person, right? And now let's see the charms. What do they want to say about this person? A snowflake. So you must be living in an area where there is a heavy snow, or this person might be proposing you in a snow or during a snow time, heavy snow time, heavy snow time. Your Kindly take care of your car, which I can sense from this read. I don't know why, but some vibe has just come. Kindly take care of your car. Don't get stuck into this. Kindly get the oil checked or get it serviced. Don't get it delayed. And the heart is there. Lord Buddha is there. Maintain the peace. And a butterfly. So this person will be very lively to you, very will be approaching to you. And right now also, if these kind of a people around you who are like kind of a butterflies, they come and go. So kindly avoid that, because these people won't be good for you. So this was your read about your crushes in your life. So next read I'll be coming with the whom you are having a crush on. What will be their take on you if you're going to approach them? So just wait for that tightly. Okay. So if you love this read, then do like, share, and subscribe, and share it with the people who really need it. Okay. Thank you. God bless you all.